Hey guys, what's up? It's Ivy the Happy Whisk, and today I am making some soup on the fly. No real formula. I'm just chucking in some lentils. That much. Some sad rocket. I'm just gonna toss that in. Poor little thing. That's what's left in the fridge. Garlic. Raw potato. I had this much left over purple onion or red onion, so that's going in. One of my new favorites is curry powder. This is a mix that I got from the co-op. It's in a garlic glass jar, but it's actually curry, mild from the co-op. I'm just dumping it in. I don't have a weight for this. A little bit of jalapeno. Half a liter, 500 ml. 600. And that's it. I'm going to put it on the Instapot high more about 30 minutes, and I'm going to keep doing dishes. But in the meantime, the Instapot is a wonderful hands-free way to make wonderful soups. Oh, wait. Cauliflower. Forgot all about the cauliflower. Big florets. I'm not going to break them up. They're going to smash in there as they cook. But that's it, guys. That is my soup going in the Instapot high more 30 minutes hands-free. It's fantastic. I gave the water a taste and I thought, you know what, it just needs a little more curry powder, so more in it goes. And just gonna swish that around because I'm in the middle of cleaning and I don't want to clean another spoon. In the Instapot it goes, homemade soup. I get that it doesn't look pretty, but bear with me because it's gonna be delicious. So I've got everything. This is how it looks when it comes out of the Instapot. There we go, and that is enough for one or two. Now for the garlic pieces that are too big, like see that garlic piece right there, I just go whoop, and I just smush it in. If I find another one, I'll do the same thing. I'll just go whoop, and then I'll push it in. Let's see, can't find it anymore now. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some miso. Got a little bit of miso. I'm going to add that much. Got some Bragg's. Gonna add that much. This is the one that I use. Coconut aminos work too, or none, or kosher salt, or no salt, or sea salt, or whatever you want. It's your soup. You do what you want. That's all I'm doing with mine. So wait, where'd my miso go? Because I'll tell you what is not pleasant, and that is getting a big spoonful of miso, which there we go, in my mouth. So I'm just gonna like smush it up against the side. Smush it. Get it mixed in there as much as I can. Now I've made this soup with the green lentils. This time I did I don't know, these are listed as green. I guess I did the split peas before and these are the green, but they look brown, so I'm confused by that. Either way, it's a really good meal, and it's spicy, and it's delicious, and it's comforting and warm, and I love soup for breakfast. Alright, there we go. I know it does not look good, but I promise it tastes good. Unless you don't like curry flavored things, then this was not for you. Then this is not for you. But you could do any kind of flavor combination. You could do all kinds of herbs and stuff. I just wanted a little bit of a spicy, and I'm on a curry mix kick right now, so that's what I made. That's what's going on in my Instapot. What is going on in yours? Let me know. Alright guys, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Whisk out.